And we have this little hoverboard soccer set. You're going to get 2 balls, 2 goals, mix that with a whole bunch of kids like we have, and you're going to have a good time for sure. Now you put AA batteries in these things and they hover, and you just kick them back and forth, score goals, play soccer. You guys want to play?
Yeah.
Colty, you want to play?
Yeah.
All right, let's play. Come on. Okay, so we have our goal here. We're going to put one on this side of the street over here. And we have our 2 balls. We're going to go ahead and turn these on. Hopefully they work on concrete. Does it work? It works. Look, it's floating down the street on its own. Oh, you got to put them in the middle. Let's get started.
All right, we'll use one.
Don't kick them crazy hard because they're not balls. They're not inflatable.
All right.
But they have little fans in there and they float right on the surface.
All right, back up, back up.
All right, ready?
Ready, set, go. Kick it like that. Don't kick it to the goal every time. Whoa. Why are you kicking it towards the goal every time? Because that's how you're supposed to pass it. No, you're supposed to pass it.
Okay, I want to test something real fast. I want to see how well it slides with it turned off. Which slides better? All right, now turn the arrow on and tell me which one slides better.
That one definitely has like more give to it.
Yeah.
It's like way more smooth.
They probably work better on a smoother surface. I want to show everybody the lights inside. Check that out. It flashes red and blue. Pretty cool.
You can't get past me, Colt. Kick it, remember?
Goal! Let's see the victory dance. Oh yeah. Go Colty. Oh yeah. So the smoother the surface, the better the little balls work. It would really be ideal for indoors, but it works outdoors as well. So overall, a very cool little set. You get 2 goals, you get 2 balls. You do have to provide the batteries, and it's going to provide tons of fun and outdoor activities. And like I said, on a rainy day, you could set it up inside, but they seem to work quite fine out here on the cement as well. So very, very cool. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.